Ewald, I'm the plant manager of the Rüsselsheim plant. In the center of everything is to manage my team, that we build cars which make our customer happy. For me, the biggest goal is that I build excellent quality. We changed all of our IT infrastructure to be able to work within the new systems from the Stellantis group. In addition, we had to flexibilize our entire production line. We run every car on the same line. We are now set up for the future, so we are able to build electrified vehicles. It's a fantastic car. It's really excellent design, and what I always like from every Opel, the drivetrain, the seats, and all the technique. I think we are not just electrifying our products, also my team is electrified to build the new cars in Rüsselsheim. It's one of our core models. It's designed in Rüsselsheim and it's built in Rüsselsheim. That is something my team and myself are very proud of. The new Astra, built in Rüsselsheim, at the heart of Opel.
Thank you, Michael. And I'm very proud that I can make another big announcement today. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Astra will also be available as a pure BEV, battery electric version, the new Opel Astra E, in 2023. This will be the first time that we offer both a plug-in hybrid and battery electric version on the same model. Battery electric, hybrid, diesel or petrol. The customer has the full choice.
Wow, fantastic. Uwe, thank you so much for sharing all this exciting news with us at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for Uwe Hochgeschütz.
Thank you.
I'm Ilka Höbermann and I'm color and trim designer at Opel. German design is for me, on the one hand, the simplicity, the pureness, and then the technical elements in combination. It is sometimes difficult to keep this pureness and then add the boldness. It's always all about the harmony and the right balance. The team developed a super fresh and modern yellow that adds some juiciness and boldness to the car. It makes it quite premium looking. And this is actually the same then in the interior, where you have the elegance. You have really a high diversity of different colors, textures, graphics, patterns. The all-new Astra has this dynamic look and a very self-confident personality. The strong accents and details, they can be just beautiful, they can have a functional aspect, they can even make you smile sometimes. This is a new Astra, all designed in Germany.
So everybody knows the Astra name, but with this generation, we wanted to use it to drive a new perception of what the Opel brand stands for. Of course, it's German. We created the car here in Rüsselsheim, but it carries Opel's new bold and pure design philosophy forward with a confident, sporty execution. Let me take you through a few of the design highlights. And let's start with the front face of the car, and of course, the Opel visor, first seen on the new Mokka. The full-width visor graphic gives the Astra a bold, progressive look, seamlessly integrating technologies such as the typical wing signature lights and the ultra-slim LED pixel headlamps that will once again bring cutting-edge innovation to the compact segment. Moving to the side, you can see the sleek dynamic proportions and muscular wheel arches together with the two-tone roof, giving the car a very low and sporty stance. At the rear, the muscular shoulders really help plant the car on the ground, emphasizing strong dynamic capability. Again, the typical wing-shaped full LED signature lights, new centrally mounted Astra nameplate badging, and sheer taut surfaces of the tailgate all help to communicate a modern, high-quality vehicle with, of course, German precision.
I'm Mariella Vogler, and I'm the chief engineer of the new Astra. Once you, as a team, are bold in your attitudes and decision-making, out of that character comes the right car. The iconic Pure panel paved our way to the future. We decided for very high-tech material, magnesium, and this gave to the whole component a completely different stiffness level. We did not make any compromises on the technology. We have put exactly our vision of futuristic technology, high-end, non-expected in a compact segment feature into the car. After going through the whole creative process of engineering and of designing, the car materialized. Without such a dedication, we would never have seen that moment. And what we saw is what we dreamed about. This is the new Opel Astra, developed in Germany.
Hello.
Hey, Jürgen, welcome to Rüsselsheim. Great that you're with us here on this very special morning. I hear you've been pretty busy, like the new Premier League season started, and I watched you closely.
It's okay, but when you're manager of Liverpool, then it's each point you miss on the way or you lose on the way is always a little bit of a problem. So, but it was all fine. We had 2 games at home, played a really strong Chelsea side in a sold-out Anfield Road, which was pretty special. So, so far, so good.
Now, were those your first meters in the new Astra?
No, I have been in the Astra a few months ago, maybe.
In June, maybe?
Yeah, in June, right? No, it was really nice. It's obviously a nice car. I'm now with Opel, I think, 9 years, nearly 10 years. So I saw a few Astra versions, and I can say, yeah, that's by far the best one. It's really nice. The hybrid version is anyway really good. I like a lot. So there are a lot of things I like about the car and how it is when you stand outside. When you sit inside, it's important how it looks inside. When you stand aside the car, you have to say, really beauty. So really good job.
Now we can see here a picture of you on the test drive that happened a little bit earlier. Now let me ask you this, Jürgen, was it just fun and games? Like, did you just come here for the test drive, or did the guys at Opel actually put you to work a little bit too?
I had the opportunity to look a little bit over the shoulder of the design team, and it was incredibly interesting. Especially what I really admire in life is when I have no idea about what other people are doing. So it's like if you are a surgeon or something like that, I say, oh my God. And designers as well, because I have not this kind of imagination. And then you see it from step 1 to step 500, each little step, each material they use, it's incredible what an effort is behind a car when you see it in the final, and then we stand there, yeah, it's nice. And these people worked hours and hours and hours. It was incredibly interesting. I loved it. It was really the first time in my life that I spoke to designers for a longer period. It's a very international team, by the way.
Absolutely.
It looked like it's my team because I have players from all over the world, and the Opel design team is obviously from all over the world as well. So great day. I enjoyed it a lot, and it was very, very interesting.
You actually got to sign a car also?
That's the easiest job, actually. Yeah.
Would you think possibly that your new business car could potentially then also be a new Astra?
I think it should be, because I'm the perfect, especially with the hybrid, I'm the perfect user, and I'm really looking forward to it. I need space in a car, and I like a nice design, proper engine as well. So that would be my first hybrid or electric car, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Jürgen, thank you so much for sharing the stage with me and for sharing your Opel Astra design experience.
You are welcome.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to Jürgen Klopp.